Today I'm going to install this LED stripe on my awning so that during the night when you open the awning I'm going to have a full light inside. It's going to be an easy job. I'm going to show you through. Let's start this one and let's do it together. So I got the LED here. What I need to do is figure out the dimensions of the awning, if it's gonna match. I also have here a little plug that I bought to fit into the two wires, okay, so that I can power up the LED. I'm gonna start off by cleaning the awning so that the sticker can glue properly and stay there. Since the LED is a little bit bigger, you can cut it at each of these signs here. So I'm gonna place a cut right here and put the protective cover once again. The LED is installed on the awning. Let's do the connections now. When I did the new headlining, I took the chance of leaving here already a plug for the awning ready to be used. Okay, so the purpose of this one is that I can just connect it here, the awning light when I want, either with the door closed or open, and I will have the awning light on. Problem is that this wire is too short, so I'm gonna have to do an extension. I'm gonna do some soldering and put this working. Let's start. I will be using my portable soldering iron that works with a battery. It's a good tool for this kind of jobs when you don't have access to a normal plug. I will start off by taking a little bit of the wires here. All good. I will put some flukes for them to solder better, also important. Okay, I will now put the heat shrink over here so I don't forget it after. Like heating up the iron. I ran out of battery on my camera, so I already did the plug here on the cable. I put this plastic cover, the cable runs around inside the awning and connects to the light. So now I'm able to connect the cable of the LED directly to the plug that I have inside my Defender. Anxious to try this out, so let's see how it looks. I think it's got a good light for the night. I hope you all enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed doing it. See you for the next video.